Welcome to another Simple Dad Threads tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to repost a Threads post on the app. So before we begin, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you're browsing through your Threads app and you have seen a post which you want to repost, so let me show you how to do this. First of all, RePost republishes the post as it is from another user account. So it'll repost from your account. So to do this, find a post which you want to repost. So for example, this one here. Now you want to go ahead and tap on this two arrows which is going around in circles. This will now bring you the menu at the bottom. To repost a thread, you want to go ahead and tap on repost. Now this will repost from your account. To see that it's been reposted, you can go ahead and tap on your profile tab here at the bottom right. And now in the thread section, you'll see your repost which you have reposted. So there you go guys, that is how to repost a thread on the Threads app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.